A day in my life, a simple daily routine. Hello and welcome to my video. Today I am going to talk about my daily routine step by step from the moment I wake up until I go to bed at night. My daily routine is simple, but it helps me stay organized and focused. I hope that by listening to this, you will learn some new English words and phrases that you can use to describe your own daily life. So, let's begin. Morning routine. Every day I wake up early, usually around 7 o'clock in the morning. The first thing I do is turn off my alarm. Sometimes it is hard to wake up, but I know that starting the day early helps me get more done. After I get out of bed, I go straight to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face with cold water. This helps me feel fresh and ready for the day. Then I comb my hair and get dressed. I usually wear comfortable clothes, especially if I don't have any important meetings or events. After getting dressed, it's time for breakfast. I keep my breakfast simple. Most mornings, I have a cup of coffee or tea with some toast and eggs. I also like to eat fruit like a banana or an apple because it's healthy and gives me energy for the day ahead. While I eat breakfast, I often check my phone. I read any new messages from my friends or family, and I look at the news to see what's happening in the world. After breakfast, I make sure to clean up my kitchen before moving on to my next activity. Morning work or study section. By around 9 o'clock, I am ready to start working or studying. If I am working from home, I sit at my desk and open my computer. I usually start by checking my mails. I read through any important messages and reply to them. After checking my mails, I make a list of tasks that I need to do for the day. I find that making a list helps me stay focused and organized. I prioritize the most important tasks and try to finish them in the morning when I have the most energy. I usually spend 2 to 3 hours working in the morning. If I am studying, I might read books or articles, watch educational videos, or take notes. If I am working, I might write reports, attend online meetings, or complete projects. I try to focus full on my work during this time and avoid the distractions. Midday, break, and lunch. Around 12:30 or 1 pm, I take a break for lunch. I like to keep my lunch simple as well. Sometimes I make a sandwich or a salad. Other times I might have leftovers from dinner the night before. I also drink a lot of water to stay hydrated. During my lunch break, I usually take some time to relax. I might listen to music or watch a short video. It's nice to take a break from work and do something enjoyable, even if only for a minute. After lunch, I clean up and prepare to go back to work or study. Afternoon routine. By 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I am back to work. In the afternoon, I focus on completing the remaining tasks from my list. I try to avoid multitasking, so I work on one thing at a time. If I have a meeting, I make sure I am prepared for it. I often have online meetings with colleagues or clients where we discuss important topics or make plans for the week ahead. If I don't have any meetings, I continue working on my projects. I might do research, write reports, or brainstorm ideas for new projects. The afternoon is usually a little quieter, so I can concentrate better and get a lot done. At around 4 pm, I take a short break. During this break, I get up from my desk and stretch or walk around for a few minutes. Sometimes I make myself a cup of tea or eat a small snack like a piece of fruit or some nuts. After my break, I finish my work for the day, aiming to wrap things up by 5 or 5:30 pm. Evening relaxation. When the work day is over, it's time to relax. In the evenings, I like to do something that helps me unwind after a busy day. Sometimes I go for a walk around the neighborhood. Walking in the fresh air helps me clear my mind and stay active. Other times, I stay at home and relax. I might read a book or watch a TV show. I am feeling creative. I might write in a journal or do some drawing. I find it very important to take time for myself in the evening to recharge and prepare for the next day. Dinner is usually at around 7 pm. For dinner, I like to cook simple, healthy meals. I might make pasta, rice with vegetables, or a stir fry. After dinner, I clean up the kitchen, wash the dishes, and then settle down for the rest of the evening. Night routine. By 9 or 9:30 pm, I start getting ready for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face again, and change into my pajamas. I try to avoid using my phone or computer too much at night because the bright screen can make it harder to fall asleep. Instead, I prefer to do something relaxing like reading a book or listening to soft music. Sometimes I meditate for a few minutes to help calm my mind. This helps me sleep better. By 10:30 pm, I'm usually in bed, ready to sleep. I like to get a good night's rest, so I make sure to sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours each night. Conclusion, and that's a typical day in my life. From morning to night, I try to keep a balanced routine with work, rest, and time for myself. I hope you found this description helpful and that is gave you some ideas for your own routine. Dear friends, thank you for listening. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment below. I would love to hear about your daily routine too.